the angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees. Let AB is the tower. Let's AB is that tower, and from the foot of the tower there is a building that is CD. So the angle is 30 degree. And the same thing is happening when we are seeing the top of the tower from the foot of the building, and it's became 60 degree angle. And it says if the tower is 50 meter high, the height of the tower is 50 meter. Now you have to find the height of the building. So we will write let AB is the tower (50 meter) and CD is the building, and BD is the distance between them. So now what we can do is, this is normal and this is base. So according to problem, normal by base, that means AB by BD. AB by BD equals to the angle tan 60 degree. Now the value of AB is known to us 50 and the BD is BD, and it became √3. So simply BD equals to 50 by √3. Now we are not going to solve this. We are keep it like that way, and we will do, because we have to find the height of CD, the length of CD. So for this triangle also we can write normal CD and base BD equals to tan 30 degree, because in this case the angle is 30 degree, and tan 30 degree is equals to 1 by √3. So CD and the value of BD we will put simply, and it is 1 by √3. Now it becomes CD into √3 by 50 equals to 1 by √3, because this √3 get reversed, and now 1 into 50 is 50 and √3 into √3 is 3. So 50 by 3, and if you divide it you will get 16 2 by 3. So this is our answer. 16 2 by 3 meter is the height of the building.